有神功，棍扫一大片，那个枪挑一条线，身形好似云中雁，我们豪气冲云天。外练筋骨皮，那个内练一口气呀，刚柔并进不低头，我们心中有天地。 不动不要做如钟，走路一阵风。南拳和北推，少林武当功，太极八卦连环掌，中华有神功。清风剑在手，那个双刀就看走。行家功夫一出手，他就知道有没有。手是两扇门，脚下是一条根，四方水土养育了我们中华武术魂。
Continue. Next posture. 劈身锤. Okay. First, open. In a pushing situation, I lock him. Use the elbow, forearm. While you get this, don't use the arm. Use the body to turn. Okay. Push hand. You can just catch his one of the upcoming hand and lock his elbow. Turn the torso. Okay. How you can use this in the defense? He's punching quickly to then go. Do you see that punch? How quick? I can use this pishin trace both hand, match with that from outside block away. Go! Pa, pa, pa. Another self-defense application. He can lock me behind. You can lock me this way. It's my torso lock. You know what? I just use this now. What if he all of a sudden from behind come to me? Jump! Hey! Do you see that? Now